If you're an athlete who knows recovery is just as critical as training, the Amazfit Helio Ring is about to become your secret weapon. This isn't just another wearable, it's a high-performance recovery tracker designed for athletes who refuse to cut corners. With advanced sensors, ultra-lightweight titanium construction, and seamless integration with Amazfit smartwatches, the Helio Ring gives you the data you need to train smarter, recover faster, and break through your limits. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tech breakdowns. Let's dive into what makes the Amazfit Helio Ring a must-have for serious athletes. First, the design. Crafted from skin-friendly titanium alloy, this ring weighs less than 4 grams and is just 2.6 millimeters thick. You'll forget you're wearing it whether you're sleeping, training, or just going about your day. And with 10 ATM water resistance, it can handle showers, swims, and even intense sweat sessions without missing a beat. But the real magic happens under the hood. The Helio Ring packs bio-tracking sensors that monitor everything from your heart rate variability to your sleep stages, stress levels, and even your emotional state through electrodermal activity, EDA monitoring. Pair the Helio Ring with an Amazfit smartwatch, and you've got a complete performance ecosystem. Train hard with your watch, recover with the ring, and see all your data seamlessly unified in the Zepp app. The app doesn't just dump numbers on you, it merges key metrics like readiness scores, sleep quality, and recovery time to give you actionable insights. No subscriptions, no paywalls, just elite-level analytics right out of the box. Sleep is where champions are made, and the Helio Ring ensures you're optimizing every minute of rest. It tracks your light, deep, and REM sleep stages, monitors breathing quality, and even detects daytime naps longer than 20 minutes. Each morning, you'll get a personalized recovery score based on your sleep HRV, resting heart rate, and body temperature. And with Zepp Aura, a free bonus for Helio Ring users, you get a full-fledged sleep coach. Think customized sleep sounds that adapt to your body's responses, detailed weekly sleep reports, and an AI chatbot that answers your wellness questions. But recovery is just one piece of the puzzle. The Helio Ring also elevates your training with features like VO2 max tracking, training load analysis, and race predictions. Completed a 3K run? The Zepp app can forecast your performance for everything from a 10K to a marathon. And with seamless sync to Strava, Adidas Running, and Komoot, you can share your progress with your fitness community. Here's where it gets even smarter. The EDA sensor detects physical stress responses, helping you spot emotional triggers that might affect performance. Log your mood in the Zepp app, and over time, it refines its insights to match your unique patterns. Plus, with 24/7 heart rate, SpO2, and stress tracking, you're always in tune with your body. Battery life, up to 4 days on a single charge, and it juices up wirelessly in under 2 hours. And unlike bulky smartwatches, the Helio Ring works silently in the background, no distractions, just data. So who is this for? Marathoners, ultrarunners, gym warriors, and anyone who demands precision from their gear. Even Olympians like Hendrik Pfeiffer swear by it for optimizing recovery. Ready to upgrade your recovery game? The Amazfit Helio Ring is built for athletes who chase every fraction of a second, every percentage of performance. Drop a comment below. How would you use this tech to crush your goals? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Your next personal best starts here.